Officer Moore with the Ransack Police Department. Do you have your driver's license? I'm Officer Moore with the Ransack Police Department. Do you have your driver's license? And insurance? Are you in a rush or are you in a rush anywhere? Are you in a hurry?
Yeah, no.
Oh, you know you were doing some work. You're doing 51 and 40.
Scared me again. What the hell was I do?
And your insurance? Insurance.
Oh. I'll work for it, then.
What's your phone number?
936.
936.
933.
933.
3780.
37.
Livingston.
Okay.
I'm on the road all the time with my monkey. We take pictures and stuff.
Okay.
That's just what I thought.
Can you sign right here?
Oh! No, don't. Here, just hand that to me. Hey, forget back.
What? You got a monkey and it attacked my hand. I'm not even kidding. Are you kidding me? I went to give him it and it just clawed at me.
Did it break the skin?
That's about the worst, but I can feel it.
A monkey? Like a legitimate monkey?
Yeah, like a legitimate monkey.